Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll dive straight into how to use UpBase for your influencer marketing campaigns, the 2025 guide. Let's get started. First up, log into your UpBase account. If you don't have one, sign up. It's a quick process. The reason we do this is because UpBase is our central hub for managing and tracking our influencer marketing campaigns. Once logged in, navigate to the Campaign tab. This is where you can create, manage, and monitor all your influencer marketing campaigns. Hit the Create New Campaign button. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. UpBase is setting up a new space where you can add all the details about your campaign. In the new campaign space, start by defining your campaign goals. This helps us because having clear goals will guide your campaign strategy and help measure its success. Input details such as the campaign's duration, targeted audience, and the key performance indicators you want to track. Now that we've done that, the next step is to search for influencers. Go to the Influencer tab and use the search filters to find influencers who align with your brand and campaign goals. The reason we do this is to ensure we're collaborating with influencers who can effectively engage our target audience. Once you've identified your influencers, go back to your campaign page and add them. Let me explain why this matters. By adding influencers to your campaign, UpBase can track their performance and provide you with valuable insights. Next up, launch your campaign. Keep an eye on the Analytics tab to monitor your campaign's performance in real time. This way, you can adjust your campaign strategy if needed to maximize your return on investment. And that's it. You've just set up your influencer marketing campaign on UpBase. Remember, the key to a successful campaign is constant monitoring and adjustment. So, keep your eyes on those analytics and tweak your campaign as necessary. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next tutorial.